In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create vertical dividers in Notion. We'll use a simple slash command and a quick keyboard shortcut to build clean, vertical separators you can drag into place and use to organize sections side by side. First, open your browser and go to Notion.com. Click Login, then choose to sign in with Google, and select your account to continue. Once you're in your workspace, create a new page by choosing Add a Page and give it a clear, descriptive name so you know what this layout is for. Click in the empty space just under the page title to place your cursor. Type quote to open the block menu and select quote. With your cursor inside that new quote block, hold the Shift key and press Enter. This inserts a blank line inside the quote block and leaves a slim vertical line on the left edge. That thin line is going to serve as your divider. Hover over the block until you see the 6-dot handle appear on the left. Click and drag that handle to move the divider to the spot where you want it. If you plan to split your page into sections, you'll usually drag it toward the side to create visual separation from your content. Click in the page again to add another block, type quote, and pick quote once more. Repeat the same shortcut, hold Shift and press Enter. Each Shift plus Enter you add expands the divider's vertical length, so tap it as many times as you need to match the height of the content you'll place next to it. If you need to reposition the divider at any time, just grab the 6-dot handle and drag it again. Now, set up your first section. Click in the space next to the divider and type a short heading or label to name that area. To add tasks under that section, type off To Do, choose To Do List, click into the first To Do field, and start listing your items. Press Enter to add more tasks. From here, repeat the same process for each space you've separated with the divider you created. Add a label, choose the content that belongs there, and continue building out your page. If your divider looks too short, return to the quote block, place your cursor inside, and use Shift plus Enter a few more times to extend it. That's it. By combining the quote block with Shift plus Enter and the drag handle, you can create clean vertical dividers in Notion and organize your content into clear, easy to scan sections.